Let's find out how to solve simultaneous equation by using graphs. Is equal to 5 x minus y is equal to 1 xy let's take first equation y. Now if y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0, x plus 0 is equal to 5. Now x is equal to 5. If the y is 0, then x should be 5, and then if x is 0, 0 plus y is equal to 5. Now you can see y is equal to 5. Let's take the second equation and draw the table. Here x and here y. Now let's say x is 0. If x is 0, we can't keep minus y. That's why we need to divide it with minus 1, and minus minus cancel out. Y is equal to minus 1. So if x is 0, y is equal to minus 1, and then y is 0. If y is 0, you can see x is equal to 1. If y is 0, s is equal to 1. Now I am going to draw a graph. This is y axis, this is x axis. 2, 3, here 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first equation, the x is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is 5 and y is 0 here, and then y is 0. X is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. X plus y is equal to 5. And then if the x is 0, y is minus 1. Y is minus 1. If the x is 1, y is 0. As output, we will get y is 2, y is equal to 2, and x is 3.